how to turn off notifications in Windows 11 quickly and easily. Whether you want to disable all notifications or only stop alerts from certain apps, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, click the Start button and open Settings. You can also press Windows +I on your keyboard to open Settings instantly. Next, select System from the left-hand menu. Then click Notifications. At the top of the page, you'll see the Main Notifications toggle. If you want to stop all notifications, simply switch this option off. Windows will immediately stop showing notification pop-ups, banners, and alerts. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to manage and turn off notifications in Windows 11 in just a few simple steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick and easy Windows tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next.